Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of practical everyday expressions. I'm Sonia, and I'm really thrilled to be here with you today.
Hi everyone, I'm Ollie. Hello, Sonia. You're full of energy today. What's our topic?
I am super excited because today we're talking about English idioms in daily talk. Idioms are those fun, colorful expressions that native speakers use all the time. They don't mean exactly what the words say, they have a hidden meaning. Learning them makes your English sound natural and confident.
Yes, perfect for our listeners. Idioms can be confusing at first, but once you know them, conversations become so much more interesting. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our podcast.
And click the like button, it really helps us grow.
Please share with your friends and family too. Okay, Sonia, let's make this episode long and packed with examples so everyone can learn many idioms today.
Great idea. First, what is an idiom? It's a group of words with a special meaning different from the literal words. For example, it's raining cats and dogs doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It means it's raining very heavily.
Yes, imagine someone new to English hearing that and looking up at the sky for cats and dogs.
Exactly. Let's go through many common idioms used in daily conversations, explain their meanings, and show how to use them with mini dialogues.
Enthusiastically, let's start with weather and daily situations. Very common.
First idiom, under the weather, meaning feeling a bit sick or not well.
Example, how are you today? I'm feeling under the weather, maybe a cold coming.
Or break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in an awkward situation. Make people comfortable.
Like at a new gathering. I told a joke to break the ice and everyone started talking.
Next is it's raining cats and dogs. We said this, heavy rain. We can't go out, it's raining cats and dogs.
Smiling. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely.
I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Only special occasions.
Thoughtfully, now idioms about difficulty or ease.
Piece of cake, meaning very easy.
How was the test? Piece of cake, I finished early.
Excitedly, bite the bullet, meaning face a difficult situation bravely.
I don't want to go to the dentist, and I'll bite the bullet and make an appointment.
Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive.
That new phone costs an arm and a leg. I'll wait for a sale.
Playfully, hit the nail on the head, meaning say exactly the right thing.
You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the problem.
Warmly, idioms about secrets or surprises.
Let the cat out of the bag, meaning reveal a secret accidentally.
I let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Sorry.
Smiling. Spill the beans. Similar. Tell a secret.
Don't spill the beans about the gift.
Thoughtfully. Work and effort idioms vary daily.
Burn the midnight oil, meaning work or study late into the night.
I burned the midnight oil finishing my project.
Call it a day, meaning stop working for the day.
It's late. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow.
Encouragingly, on the ball, meaning alert, quick, doing well.
You're really on the ball today. Great answers.
Kick the bucket, meaning die, a bit humorous, use carefully.
Carefully. It's an old idiom, like in movies. Before I kick the bucket, I want to travel.
Yes, gentle with that one. Now more fun ones.
The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to decide or act.
I gave my opinion, now the ball is in your court.
When pigs fly, meaning never, impossible.
Will you clean your room? When pigs fly.
Laughing. Kids love that one. Feeling on cloud nine, meaning very happy.
After passing the exam, I was on cloud 9.
Break a leg, meaning good luck, especially before a performance.
You have a presentation tomorrow. Break a leg.
Warmly. A blessing in disguise, meaning something bad that turns good.
Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one.
Get cold feet, meaning become nervous and back out.
I was going to ask her out, but I got cold feet.
Thoughtfully, let's practice a long daily conversation using many idioms.
Okay, imagine two friends meeting.
Hi, Sonia. Long time no see. How are you?
Hi, Ollie. I'm on cloud 9. Got a new job. How about you?
I'm under the weather today, a little cold. But congratulations. Was the interview a piece of cake?
No, I got cold feet at first, but I bit the bullet and did great.
You hit the nail on the head with your answers, I'm sure. The salary, does it cost an arm and a leg to live there?
No, it's good. Hey, let's meet for coffee. Once in a blue moon becomes never.
Break a leg with the new job. Don't burn the midnight oil too much.
Thanks. We'll call it a day on worrying. Everything will be fine.
Wow, we used so many idioms naturally.
Yes, idioms make talk lively. Start with 2 or 3 a day. Use them with family or friends.
Listen to English shows, notice idioms, then try them. Don't worry about mistakes. It's okay.
Thank you, Ali. This was full of fun idioms.
Thank you too, Sonia. Listeners, which idiom will you use today? Or which is your favorite?
Yes, go to the comments and write a sentence with an idiom. For example, the test was a piece of cake, or it's raining cats and dogs today, or share your own.
We can't wait to read them. It will help everyone practice idioms.
And remember, idioms make your daily English sound like a native.
Exactly. Use one idiom a day. Speak colorfully.
Thank you all for listening. You are wonderful.
Take care, keep talking with idioms, and have fun.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Ali.